Customizing your Windows desktop icons and got an ITA theme file from IconTweaker? These bundle complete icon sets for system makeover. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install these IconTweaker theme archive files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful ITA troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. An ITA file is a theme archive created by IconTweaker, a freeware utility for customizing system icons in Microsoft Windows, particularly popular during the Windows XP era. Users encounter these files when downloading or sharing custom icon packs to change the appearance of their desktop and folders. The ITA format is a compressed binary archive, likely a zip or similar container, bundling icon files, ICO, image resources, and a configuration script. This all-in-one design was chosen for portability, allowing users to easily share and apply complex icon themes with a single file. IconTweaker, engineered by Joost of Verburg, is the application of choice for ITA. To ensure the integrity of the system files, a dedicated utility should be used instead of Windows default. Windows exposes the file's contents, yet modifications must be done with care to avoid misconfiguration. The solution usually starts here. Right-click the ITA file and select Open With. Try IconTweaker as your first attempt. If you don't see it, choose another application. Keep testing until the file cooperates. If your ITA file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The source is most likely one of 3 common issues. Let's review this simple breakdown of the culprits and how to quickly check them. First, installing in IconTweaker. Launch IconTweaker and use the import function to load the ITA file. The application extracts the theme contents and presents them in the theme browser. Apply the theme through the application interface, and IconTweaker replaces system icons throughout Windows, according to the theme's configuration, providing comprehensive desktop visual transformation immediately. Next, examining as archive. Rename the ITA file extension to zip or RAR depending on the archive type used, and extract with standard archive tools to examine theme contents. The extracted folder contains individual ICO files and configuration data. This is useful for selecting specific icons from a theme without applying the full theme through IconTweaker installation. Finally, considering modern alternatives. IconTweaker has limited modern Windows compatibility. Consider alternatives like 7TSP Stardock Icon Packager or simple Windows built-in icon customization through file properties. Extract icons from ITA files to use with these alternatives, ensuring continued use of theme icon designs, even when IconTweaker becomes incompatible with current Windows versions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.